Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 8 captive screws. Use a non-metallic pry tool to unclip the cover around the edges. Lift the cover and remove it from the system. Remove 2 screws from inside of the system. Slide the keyboard toward the back of the system and lift the front edge. Pull the keyboard out from the bezel and flip it over. Disconnect the keyboard cables from the system board. Remove the keyboard from the system. Place the keyboard upside down on the system. Connect the keyboard cables to the system board. Flip the keyboard over and insert the top edge under the bezel. Lower the bottom edge and slide it toward the front of the system. Install 2 screws inside the system to secure the keyboard. Lower the cover into place on the system, inserting the edge furthest from the hinges first, and press down gently on the clips around the edges. Tighten 8 captive screws. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery.